So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find your EFI drive that you want to delete. You want to find the disk number for it. So for me, I have my EFI System Partition on my disk 0. Next, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in Diskpart and then click on enter. Now you want to type in list space disk and then click on enter again. And now you want to type in select space disk space. And again, the disk number we have your EFI partition on. For me, it's going to be disk 0. So I'm going to type in select disk 0. You want to type in select disk and then your number. And then click on enter. Next, you want to type in list space partition. Click on enter. You want to find out what the partition of your EFI drive is. So right here, my size is 100 megabytes, and it's the first partition I have. If I go back to here, 100 megabytes is the first partition I have. So now I'm going to type in select space partition space 1 in my case. You want to type in select partition and then your number, and then click on enter. Next, you want to type in delete space partition space override and then click on enter. This part will have successfully deleted your partition. That's how you do it.